Welcome back. So in this video, we'll prove the first identity we have seen in the previous video, which is tan theta. In order to prove tan theta, we need to remember the trigonometric ratios. This is the angle of interest, which is theta. So let's say this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. We know this from sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Now what we can do is we can divide O by H and A by H. Right? So therefore this is still remain tan theta. So as long as we do the same operation, then it does not affect the equality. Right, so what is O over H? O over H, opposite over hypotenuse, is sin theta. So this is equal to sin theta. And what is A over H? A over H is coming from cos theta. Therefore, it is equivalent to tan theta. Therefore, this concludes the proof that tan theta is equivalent to sin theta over cos theta.